inside the world's newest business jet. What if you could make your no-expense pure luxury New York apartment penthouse fly? That's basically what happens with the Airbus A320neo. Known for its corporate culture of innovation, Airbus has produced one of the most luxurious private jet lines available in the world today. While the aircraft has the same body shell as its predecessor, it gets new engines and aerodynamic shocklet wingtips that improve range and fuel efficiency. It has a range of 6,000 miles, which allows for non-stop travel between major cities. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. UK charter operator Acropolis Aviation has revealed the interior of the first Airbus ACJ320neo that looks nothing short of a luxurious penthouse apartment with ultra-high-end amenities. The company is the first operator of Airbus ACJ320neo, a modified version of the regular Airbus 320neo, created for the world's super elite. The ACJ320neo, based on the best-selling A320neo family, along with the AJC319neo, is around twice as wide as traditional high-end business jets, with a similar external length and wingspan. The ACJ320neo combines comfort with professionalism and makes extravagant luxury and practical option. Staying true to its namesake, the Airbus corporate jets are best known for their larger-than-life interiors while not being excessively large externally. Large, but not the largest, A302neo is an exceptional solution for those who require great freedom of movement or simply want to trade up from a smaller-sized aircraft. The passenger version of the jet is used by various airlines, including British Airways, Lufthansa, and Scandinavian Airlines. While this version can seat more than 180 people, the flying penthouse version is limited to 19 people, with a sleeping capacity of 17. The interior is set up like an apartment, complete with a master bedroom and a spacious en-suite bathroom. No squeezing into a tiny airplane lavatory on this flight. With a range of about 6,000 nautical miles, you can travel long distances without having to stop. Imagine hopping from Seattle to London or Los Angeles to Auckland on one flight. Sold under the Airbus corporate jet name, the ACJ320neo's interior replaces regular single asleep passenger seating with a bespoke cabin for private use. Acropolis Aviation took delivery of the first Airbus ACJ320neo in 2019, and it was taken to Switzerland, where the special interior for the private jet was installed. The ACJ320neo cost $110 million and has more room inside the cabin than the usual luxury jets. The aircraft that was unveiled by Acropolis Aviation features a master bedroom and en-suite bathroom, which is said to be the largest ever featured on an Airbus aircraft. Along with that, it also got a lounge, dining area, and a full-sized kitchen. We are absolutely delighted with the high quality of workmanship that has gone into the creation of plane since it arrived green in January 2009, said Acropolis Chief Executive Jonathan Bousfield. It is something very special, which will set new standards of comfort and well-being within the VIP charter market. Fully utilizing the cabin space, it can stay in the air for around 13 hours with a full tank of fuel. This means the non-stop flights from London to Beijing or Moscow to Los Angeles are possible without landing to refuel in between. ACJ stands for the Airbus Corporate Jet. If you're wondering about the sheer size of the aircraft, the regular A320neo is used as a passenger plane, among others, by Lufthansa. The A320neo new engine option is one of the many upgrades introduced by Airbus to help maintain its A320 product line's position as the world's most advanced and fuel-efficient single-asset aircraft family. The baseline A320neo jetliner has a choice of two new generation engines, the Pure Power PW1100G-JM from Pratt & Whitney and the LEAP-1A from CFM International, and features large fuel-saving wingtip devices known as shocklets. Airbus corporate jets capitalize on the latest advances in aerospace technology to deliver real benefits to customers, whilst continuing to evolve with new advances in aircraft and engine design. The modern design of the ACJ family means that they come with more features as standard, including many that bring efficiency and cost saving. These features include streamlined, aerodynamically efficient designs, pilot-pleasing common cockpits, fly-by-wire controls that save weight and maintenance, as well as introducing greater protection, weight-saving materials such as carbon fiber, as well as time and cost-saving centralized maintenance. Airbus advanced technology allows customers to stay connected with what's happening on the ground whilst working and relaxing in the air in a bespoke cabin tailored to their own needs. As the top-of-the-line business jet option, the ACJ line is often used for VIP transport, oftentimes as a permanent fixture in the operations of government entities. In recent years, the A321s have begun to replace the less fuel-efficient 757s for government operations. Eventually, it is likely that the A321s will entirely replace the former title holder. This is ultimately due to an evolution in the business jet industry, with impressive maximum takeoff weight, efficient wingtip fences, and a range of up to 4,300 nautical miles. The A320neo represents the pinnacle of business jet transport. Greater degrees of flexibilities in terms of possible configuration provides even more options for VIP travel. The optional bedroom and office chambers in the spacious cabin can be separated from the third section, which can be used for more public purposes. Appropriately, the Airbus corporate jet line has been renowned for its versatility. The ACJ family is the only business jet that is currently flying on each and every continent, even Antarctica. It features a full-sized kitchen galley for food preparation and an induction oven, enabling the preparation of fresh quality food without fumes and odors. With an average cabin altitude of 6,400 feet, GKELT has been fitted with an aircraft cabin air humidifier to improve passenger comfort. Collins Aerospace Cabin Management System, along with its in-flight entertainment system, Stage, allows viewing on 19 individual iPads and 4 large TV screens throughout the cabin. Collins is also providing its VIU LED mood interior lighting system. The aircraft is also fitted with the super-fast wireless Wi-Fi via a Ka-band internet connection. Acropolis Aviation CEO Jonathan Bousfield told Corporate Jet Investor, Acropolis has been an Airbus Corporate Jets customer since the introduction of GNOAH, its first ACJ. Acropolis signed a contract for the new at EBACE 2015, choosing the aircraft for its strong passenger acceptance and building on its strong relationship with the manufacturer. The aircraft took just over a year from start to finish. A number of new enhancements were introduced, and Acropolis and designer Yves Pickard were involved throughout the process. Acropolis is proud to be a dedicated ACJ operator and is looking forward to introducing GKELT to the charter market. Thanks to an identical cockpit and avionics system, pilots can fly the A320neo with minimal additional training, a key marketing feature of the aircraft that Boeing sought to replicate with its 737 MAX aircraft, leading to fatal consequences. While new private jets such as the Gulfstream G650ER can fly further than the ACJ 320neo with a similar passenger load, the latter is a more remarkable status symbol compared to the former, intended for the elite of the elite. We have executed this completion project with Acropolis Aviation as one of the world's leading private aviation operators, said Mr. Brent Schramm, Group Chief Operating Officer of AMAC Aerospace. This unique mission adds to the excellent reputation that AMAC has gained in the market, which we continuously demonstrated over the last 20 VIP, 25 plus VVIP refurbishment modification projects at AMAC Aerospace. Bousfield told Corporate Jet Investor that Acropolis is planning to showcase the ACJ 320neo at EBACE. We are delighted with GKELT and are confident this is going to be a very popular VVIP chartered aircraft, especially in Europe, Middle East, and the USA. We are also looking forward to showcasing the aircraft on the static display at EBACE. We are in discussion with Airbus Corporate Jets to finalize that right now. The modern designs of the ACJ family means that they come with more features as standard, including many that they bring efficiency and cost saving. These features include streamlined, aerodynamically efficient designs, pilot-pleasing common cockpits, fly-by-wire controls that save weight and maintenance, as well as introducing great protection, weight-saving materials such as carbon fiber, as well as time and cost-saving centralized maintenance. Thanks to its efficiency, Airlines have touted the A320neo in fleet renewals, and some are using the aircraft as a platform for new airline liveries and branding. As was the case for Aegean Airlines in Greece, Airbus advanced technology allows customers to stay connected with what's happening on the ground whilst working and relaxing in the air in a bespoke cabin tailored to their own needs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the following videos here. Thank you.